Kim Chiu sinurpresa sa kanyang advance birthday celebration.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. From all the tears and everything. Oh my God. Happy ba naman sana ako? Oh, iyak na naman ako, Manader. Iyak na naman tayo, Manader. Thank you so much. Birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Ayoko na may birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Nonchalant.
Ano ba talaga to? Umabot na lang. Thank you so much.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yes.
Wala na ako.
Happy birthday, Kim.
Thank you so much.
Wala ngang paglagyan ng tuwa sa puso ni Kim dahil sa surprise ng kanyang boses pati na rin ni Paolo Avellino. Super thankful siya sa lahat ng sumusuporta at success ng kanilang pelikula na My Love Will Make You Disappear. Anong masasabi ninyo sa balitang ito? Magkomento sa ibaba at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe for more videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood!